Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this RC off-road vehicle that can take pictures and videos with a wireless camera connectivity. Download the app LH-C023AS from Google Play Store or iOS Store and control everything from your smartphone, left or right, forward, backwards, take pictures, take videos, control the speed, even you can connect a VR. It is like you have the real remote control at your hands. Powerful horsepower motor, anti-collision shell, non-slip big tires, follow me options, selfie gesture. It can be used from the age of 6 and more. The model is LH-C023A, and as you can see, it looks great. Shock absorber, of course, at 4 wheels. Parts here are from metal. Camera climbing. Front, excellent, it says. This is from metal. Metal here. At the front we've got the camera. Metal here. The wheels, soft wheels. Nice. Here it is only for a design. Plastic parts. Well, I can say it is a very well construction. We've got some screws around. Here we've got the motor, at the back is the motor. At the front we've got the motor for left and right. We've got the switch. It is the steering adjustment, all the way right or left. It is your choice which way you want to turn more. Let's leave it on the middle. We've got the cables connected here, up. And of course we've got the compartment for the battery. We've got the on-off switch, switch it off or on the unit. Here we can see we've got one screw, needs to unscrew that. Remove the screw. And inside we can reveal the compartment for the battery. You need the DC 3.7 volt, of course, included at the box. There it is. Leon 14,500, it is 500 mAh, 3.7 volt. You will have about 20 minutes to work this RC. And of course at the box was in this cable. You can connect the battery here. You can find the power bank, 5 volt you need. And we've got the red light, that means the battery is charging. When it's fully charged, the red light will turn off. Perfect. And we can connect that here. I would like to have maybe micro USB. Not every time needs to take out the battery for charging. Just plug in the cable and you can charge it. But it is what it is. It says made in China. Nice. Turn it on, of course. There we've got an LED at the front lights. And here inside we can see the LED, that means it is on, and the camera. Now let's go at the remote control. Now we can see we've got the forward and backward button, left and right, take picture and take videos, slow mode and fast mode for the car, and we can install, of course, our smartphone here, just like that. And there is the app, and at all time you can see from the camera to your smartphone. If you don't have an eye contact of this wheel, you can check it from the smartphone. And of course we've got the on-off switch, switch it on, off. But before that we need to install, of course, and here batteries. And there we've got a screw. Perfect. Remove that. We need two 2A batteries. Perfect. Now we can turn it on. The LED is flashing and it's been connected to the car. Let's see. Oh yeah, don't move on, stay here. Now let's make the connection. From the Wi-Fi settings you need to choose the LH car, then go to the app. Let's install the smartphone here again. Perfect. Then choose play, and here it is. Now let's see, we can turn on the control from our smartphone. That means you can go forward and backwards. Of course, you can rotate the wheels in left and right, of course. You can take a photo. You can start recording. Stop recording. Check your videos at the video album or picture album, the pictures. You can connect the VR, great. And you can adjust the screen upside down. Nice. Great settings. Well, let's play with this RC. Okay, starting with slow speed. And fast. And no problem with any obstacles. Okay, now let's find out how far it can go. Until we lose connection. Okay, there we are. Oh my god, it's so far away. Wow, amazing. Definitely it is about 70 to 80 meters. Wow. It can go up to 90 meters, definitely. Of course, this is a hard terrain. Definitely I can say I can enjoy this RC. Well, you know how it goes, guys. Christmas is here, holidays. I think it's a great gift for your loved ones, for your kids, and why not even for you. Definitely you will enjoy that. Have fun driving outside or inside, it is your choice. Ooh. Where you want to go, man? Okay, give him a push. Yes, I like it. Well guys, that was all about. I think it's a great RC. Definitely you will enjoy, have fun with that. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and that was all. It matters so much for me. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye. Have a great holidays.